Guys, check us out. Fashion Show Mall is awesome. You never been there? View of Las Vegas, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful night out. Probably around maybe 90s, upper 80s, but beautiful weather. But yeah, if you get a chance, come check out this Fashion Show Mall. It's awesome. Huge. Lots of stores. But you gotta see this. I'm gonna show you coming up here at the Wynns. Just doing a little night walk. It's nice. But they got an awesome, watch this, the Wynns. It's east there. We're going to Venetian right there. And yeah, Treasure Island. Fashion Show Mall is awesome. Never been there? Check it out. Then when you have your little walk, you come right over here by the Wynns. It's awesome. You can hear it almost. You got waterfalls. That's cool. A nice little creek right there. With the waterfalls over here. That is awesome. Feels good, the little nice cold breeze off of that. Yes, sir. And you got your little, like, kind of calm lake over here. Little pond. Yeah. Yes, sir. On our way to Venetian. Well, beautiful. Come to Vegas, take a late night walk. Out this way, it's beautiful. Sir, Viva Las Vegas.